how to transfer your posts to Blogger on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your posts to Blogger on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines at the top corner and then go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down and click this one, transfer a copy of your information, and then next, and now just click Blogger and go to notes and click none if you want to transfer only your posts, and then next, and now just connect your Facebook with Blogger. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.